What up, guys, and welcome to the Daily Drip here on the Growthcast. Today, I wanted to share a reminder with everyone. If you want to improve, you have to be okay with looking foolish. Improvement and failure go hand in hand, but somehow a lot of people fall into the trap of thinking they need to avoid failure. Never stretching outside of their comfort zone, never trying new things. It's a safe but slippery slope. Outwardly, people say they want to grow, they want to improve, they want to succeed, but those intentions and words without actions doesn't work. Today, the invite is simple. If you want to improve, you must reframe the way you look at failure. Expect to fail. Use failure as a checkpoint. Assess the failure, dissect it, analyze what you can and what you can do better next time, and then keep taking action. Don't fall back into the indulgent mentality of, I want to grow, I want to progress, so I'm going to study and learn more about what that looks like. No, take the next step. Fail and learn. Fail again, learn some more. Remind yourself today that failure is success in progress. Failure is a tough step in the process, but you have to adopt the truth and lean into it further and further. Failure is a regular step for those that succeed at a high rate. Failure is a step. It's never who you are. In fact, you are a success because you choose and have the courage to fail. Again, if you want to improve, you have to be okay with looking foolish. Have a great day, everybody. Hopefully you're able to grab something of high value today on your path to more growth and success in your life, fulfillment. And we will see you guys back here again